Ah, that feels so good. But what is that loud popping sound?
Did I break a bone? Are my fingers rubbing together?
Nope. Your joints have a special oil inside to keep them smooth. When you stretch, gas gathers and forms a big bubble. Bloop! And then, pop! The bubble bursts. That is the sound you hear.
It is just like popping bubble wrap. You can't do it again right away. The bubbles need 20 minutes to come back.
Don't worry, Mom. It does not give you arthritis. It is safe.
It just releases pressure and makes your hands feel loose. But don't pull too hard, or you might hurt your finger.
Pop that subscribe button for more fun facts.